Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha videos. This video is for class 10th, chapter 1 real numbers, and the topic is logarithms. So this logarithms is for exercise 5, and here in this video we are going to discuss only the first bit related exercise problems, as well as I gave some model problems. Okay, these model problems are very important for your exams, for 1 mark and 2 mark questions. Even he may ask for choice also. So please go through. I gave one exercise problem and related to that one model problem. So here is your first question. Determine the values of the following. First one, log 5 base 25. Okay, when you see here 25, one thing you should remember, here whatever is there, in terms of that one only you should write this base. Okay, so 25 I can write as 5 square, right? Okay, so suppose if the question is given in this way, log 5 base 625. 625. Here you can tell that 625 means 25 square. Right, 625 is 25 square, but here I should not write 25 square. Here I should write in terms of 5 only. This is very important thing. Here many of you will do the mistake. Okay, so here 5 means here you should write the 625 in terms of 5 only. So it will be 5 power 4, and here you should write 5. If the question is asked like here 25, then you can write here 25 square. Okay, based on this one you should write this one. Clear? So that one you should be perfect. So 25 means I can write 5 square. Okay, if you observe carefully, here it is 5 and this is also 5. Okay, means it is in the form of log. Here these two are same. Don't write the formula directly. See, compare this one with the formula. Here one number is there, so I am writing that number in terms of a. Okay, the same thing is there here, right? So here I wrote 5 as a, so here also I should write 5 as a, so I wrote a only here. So in between there is one more, the different one, so I can write as x. So this is your formula. So whenever these two are different, the in between one will be reciprocal. Understood? So if you are not thorough with the formulas, please follow my video which is given in the link in the description. Okay, so, there you will be if you follow that video, you will be perfect with the properties as well as the properties related examples. Okay, so here this is in the formula of a power m n, and in between m is there. Okay, so this m whatever in between, that will be reciprocal. Clear? So this is reciprocal, this 2 is reciprocal. Okay, now if you observe here carefully, these two are same. The power as well as the base are same. When the power and the base are same, I can write both 5, so I can write both a's, right? When the power and base are same, then it is 1, right? So a base a equal to 1. So instead of log 5 base 5, I can write 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2. Clear? So your answer is 1 by 2. So the main thing you should remember is this, whatever base is there, that should be written in terms of this one. Okay, even if the question is like this, log, here if it is 5 and here if it is 25. Okay, here depending on this one you should write this one. Okay, so this is your exercise problem, but maximum your question will be asked this model problem only. Okay, so this model problem is asked so many times, and this is your exercise problem. Simple. That's why I gave one exercise problem related to one model problem. Okay, so here what is the difference here means, here it is 5 but here it is 25. Here it is 25, here it is 5. Okay, if without practicing this, you will be confused and you'll do the problem in this way only, but there your marks will go. Okay, so I gave this question also, so practice this one also. Simple. Here depending on this number you should write this 25. So I can write 25 as 5 square. Okay, now here this is like when these are same, this is power, so I can send this power to the front, right? So log a power m equal to m log a, this one. Okay, when the power is there, this should be sent to the front, so the power will come front, so m log a. Okay, 5 base 5. Again this 5 base 5 means you already know it, log a base a equal to 1, so 2 into 1 it is 2. So I can write the answer for this one as 2. So simple, for this problem and this problem your answers will be reciprocal. Okay, if you get 1 by 2 here, you will get 2 here. If you get here 2, this will be 1 by 2. Clear? So let us go to the next problem. Here is your next problem. Log 3 base 81. So here 81 is there. You may directly write 9 square. But 9 square means again you should do this in terms of 3. So instead of doing like that, whatever here power is there, depending on that one, you find out the factors for this 81 with 3. Here it is 3, so find out with respect to 3. So 81 is 3 power 4. So I can write 81 as 3 power 4. Okay. So here these two are same and in between there is a different one. So it will be reciprocal. Okay. 1 by 4 into log 3 base 3. So if a power and base are same, its value is 1. So 1 by 4 into 1. So anything multiplied by 1 will give you the same number. So it is 1 by 4. So your answer is 1 by 4. Let us go to the model problem related to this one. Here I interchange the places. Instead of 81 I wrote 3 and instead of 3 I wrote 81. Okay. So like previous problem only. If you got here 1 by 4, you will get the answer here 4. If the problems are same numbers. Okay, so here 81 is there, so it will be 3 power 4 here. So this 4 will go to the front. So 4 log 3 base 3, as 3 base 3 is 1, so 4 into 1, 4 into 1 is 4. Simple. Here you got 1 by 4, here you will get 4. Okay, so your answer is 4. Let us go to the next problem. Here is your next problem. Log 1 by 16 base 2. Okay, so here it is 2, so write this 16 in terms of 2 only. So 16 means it is 2 power 4, right? 2 power 4. So I can write this as log 1 by 2 whole power 4. 2 power 4, 1 power anything is 1 only, no? So I write whole power 4. Okay, you can write like this also, 1 power 4 by 2 power 4. In the next step you can write 1 by 2 whole power 4. Okay, 1 power anything is 1 only, no? So I put 4 here because my power for 2 is 4. So I gave for 1 also, it is 4 only. Okay, now here in the previous problems we discussed that these two should be same, but here it is 2 and here it is 1 by 2, right? So if 1 by a power n, 1 by a power n can be written as a power minus n. As you go for law of exponents, 1 by a power n will be a power minus n. Means when you write this one, when it is having the a power n is in the denominator, to write it in the numerator form, this power should have a minus symbol. So here I can write it as 2 power minus 4. Right, 1 by 2 whole power 4 will be 2 power minus 4. Now if you compare, these two are same. Okay, our aim is to bring these two as same because you have formula for this one only. So now this minus 4, whatever is their power, this will go to the front. So minus 4 log 2 base 2. As 2 base 2 is 1, you can write minus 4 into 1. So minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. So your answer is minus 4. If I change the question like this, 1 by 16 I wrote here and 2 I wrote here, means your answer will be minus 1 by 4. As it is minus 4 here, here you will get minus 1 by 4. So the model problem of this one is given in this way. So 1 by 16 I can write 1 by 2 whole power 4. Here it will be changed to 2 power minus 4. 2 power minus 4. Okay. Now here whatever in there in between, if these two are same or even though they are different also, you have two formulas, right? So here whatever in between, that will be shifted to the front and that will be reciprocal. Okay. So minus 1 by 4 into log 2 base 2. So 2 base 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 by 4 into 1. It is minus 1 by 4. So your answer is minus 1 by 4. Okay, so be perfect with such type of problems as well as like this also. Okay, you can take your own examples and you can solve them and check. Here is your fifth one. Here fourth one I gave at the last. Okay, fifth one, log root x base x. Simple here. Here it is x, but it is root x. Root x under root square root of x can be written as x power 1 by 2. Right? 3 root x. As 3 root x you can write as x power 1 by 3. 4th root x means x power 1 by 4. Here it is square root, so I wrote x power 1 by 2. So I can write root x as x power 1 by 2. Right? Now this 1 by 2 will be shifted to the front as per, based on your formula. Right? Power will go front. As both base and power are equal, its value is 1. So 1 by 2 into 1. As 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2 only. So your answer is 1 by 2. Clear? So these formulas are very important, these properties. If you are perfect with these properties, then you can easily solve any type of problem. Okay. So let us go to the model problem. Here I shifted, here I wrote root x and here I wrote x. Okay. So here wherever root x is there, you will have x power 1 by 2. So this 1 by 2 will be reciprocal. So 1 by 2 means it is 2. Its value is 2. So 2 into log x base x. So when the base and power are equal, then its value is 1, right? As per this formula. So 2 into 1, it is 2. So your answer is 2. So simple, here 1 by 2 means here it will be 2. Clear? So let us go to the next problem. Here is your next problem. Log 512 base 2. So this 512 you should write in terms of 2 only. So 512 means 2 power 9. Okay, do prime factoration. For 512 you will get 2 power 9. Okay, so this power you should send it to the front. Okay, so 9 log 2 base 2. So when the base and the power are equal, then it is 1. So 9 into 1, it is 9. So your answer is 9. Now I will interchange my question. 2 as a power and 512 as a base. So 512 wherever it is, you should write as 2 power 9. Okay. Now this in between, if it is different, this will be reciprocal, right? So 1 by 9 log 2 base 2. When the base and the power are same, its value is 1. So 1 by 9 into 1, it is 1 by 9. So here you got 9 and here you got 1 by 9. Clear? So these formulas are very important. So let us go to the next problem. Here is your next problem. Log 0.01 to the base 10. Okay, this is very important. Here it is in the base of 10. So you convert this one also as 10 power. So before converting this, here 0.01 means, as there are two digits after decimal. After decimal you have two digits means in the denominator you will get two zeros. So it is 100 and the numerator is having only 1. So you should write as 1. Okay. So it is 1 by 100. 1 by 100 I can write as 1 by 10 square, right? Because I should write this one in terms of 10. So I'll write as 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square means again I can write 1 by 10 whole square. Right? Because 1 power anything is 1 only. So 1, even for 1 also I'll give whole square. Now I can write this as 10 power minus 2, or from this step only you can write 1 by 10 square means 10 power minus 2. So you got this one also as 10 power, right? So as 0.01 means 1 by 100, 1 by 100 means 1 by 10 square, so 1 by 10 square means 10 power minus 2. So now I'll substitute that 10 power minus 2. Now this power will go to the front because log a power m equal to log m log a. Log a power m, or you can say log x power m, it is m log x. Okay, so minus 2 into log 10 base 10. So now this one log a base a formula, right? So log a base a equal to 1. So minus 2 into 1, which gives you minus 2 as answer. Okay, now I'll interchange the numbers. Here I'll put 10 and here I'll put 0.01. So instead of 0.01 you should write 10 power minus 2. Now this minus 2, whatever in between, in middle, that will be sent as a reciprocal. So minus 1 by 2. Now 10 base 10 means a base a formula, it is 1. So minus 1 by 2 into 1, which gives you minus 1 by 2. So here your answer is minus 1 by 2. So let us go to the next one. So your next question is log 8 by 27 to the base 2 by 3. So here also the same thing, don't be confused. Here 8 means you should write in terms of 2. So 8 means I can write 2 cube, right? So I can write 2 cube. Here 27 you should write in terms of 3. So 27 means 3 cube. So 2 by 3 whole cube I can write. 8 by 27 means 2 by 3 whole cube, because both are having cube. So I can put whole cube, or you can write direct 2 cube by 3 cube. 2 cube by 3 cube is you can write as 2 by 3 whole cube. So 2 by 3 whole cube. Now whatever this power is there, that will go to the front. So 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So when the power and base are same, it is log a base a, which gives you 1 as your answer. So 3 into 1 is 3. So your answer is 3. Okay, let us go to the next one. Simple interchange, 8 by 27 as a base and 2 by 3 as the power. Okay, now instead of 8 by 27 I'll write 2 by 3 whole cube. 2 by 3 whole cube. Now in between whatever the different thing is there, that will go to the front as reciprocal. Here also same thing. Here the power will go to the front, but if it is the super power, it will not be reciprocal. If it is in between, it will be reciprocal. That is the main difference. If it is super power, it will not be reciprocal. If it is in between, it will be reciprocal. Okay, so 1 by 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. So when the power and base are same, its value is 1. So 1 by 3 into 1 is 1 by 3. So this is your answer. Okay, here you got 3 and here you got 1 by 3. Okay, don't do mistake here. So let us go to the next one. So here I gave the fourth one. Okay, this is different and the last one is different. So I gave 2 at a time. Okay, log 1 base 7. We already know the formula that log 1 base anything, log 1 to the base any number, suppose 7, even if it is 170, 100, whatever it is, its value is 0. Okay, because we have the formula log 1 base a equals to 0. Okay, so the value of log 1 to any base equal to 0, because our formula is log 1 base a equal to 0. So your value is 0. Okay, let us go to the ninth one. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Okay, if you observe carefully, a power, it is in the formula of a power m plus n. Okay, loss of exponents, the log a power m plus n equals to a power m into a power n. Okay, so by using that formula we'll derive this. So your question is in this formula, so I should write in this way. So 2 power 2 into 2 power log 3 base 2. So as 2 power 2 is 4, I can write as 4 into, here if you observe carefully, there is only one formula before log. If there is one number, then there is only one formula, a power log n base a. Okay, even these two are same, your answer will be n, right? This is only one formula which is different. Before log only you'll have one number, then this formula should be used. These two are same here, so I can write this n as directly my answer. Here all these two are also same, so my answer is 3. So your answer will be 4 into 3. Okay, this is the formula which we used. Okay, 4 3 is 12. So your answer is 12. So be perfect with the properties so that you can easily solve any type of problem. Okay, you can take your own example problems and try to solve them. I hope you understood this video. Please take down the notes, learn the properties perfectly and take your own examples and solve them. Okay, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.